I'm a game changer. I'm a risk taker.
Hello organizers, viewers and friends around the world. I am 𝗈𝗫𝗀𝗀𝗀, participating in challenge from Singapore. First of all, I'd like to thank the panel of judges for selecting me as a finalist. I am proud to represent Temasek Primary School, where I am a student of Primary 5. I've been doing robotics for the last 3 years. I was introduced to robotics in my school and took it up as my co-curricular activity. Since then, I've been hooked to it. It has been an enjoyable and great learning experience. Let me show you my school's robotics lab. This is where we are free to think out of the box and indulge in coding to solve standard problem statements. While doing that, we face various challenges. We are encouraged by our teachers to keep trying as a team by evaluating various theories, algorithms, and architecture to achieve the optimal result. Good afternoon, Ms. Lim.
Hey, good afternoon. Are you?
What do you think about this program?
Oh, this is very impressive. Well done, Aniru.
Thank you. It was in 2018 when I first participated in an RCAP challenge with my school team. It was a great learning experience for me and my team as we realized the level of difficulty in coding and how well the other teams performed. That inspired us to do better, and we return next year again to win the 3rd place in our CoSpace First Step Under 12 category. Let me show you the trophy. The challenge mission is to develop and program strategies to navigate my robot into a virtual world to collect the red, cyan, black, super and super plus objects and deposit successfully within the given time to maximize the points. I have broken down the challenge task into multiple mini tasks like navigation within the virtual world, avoid obstacles, collect objects, avoid traps, deposit objects, and detect orange area. My overall mission was solved when each of the above mini tasks were completed in the order. Then I used other advanced strategies like using the blue area, various markers, local variables, follow the wall, etc. to increase my point collection. Let me share my strategy for this challenge in detail. Hope this video will be useful for others starting their CoSpace journey. First, I created a flowchart on the right to logically sequence my robot activities and updated the same by scanning ultrasonic and RGB sensor values, positions, duration, key action, wheel speeds, and LED value. I also sketched the control of the flow of my robot movement to move within blue area to collect double points. Here is the code snippet below. Debugging 1. The robot didn't always perform as per the code, and I had to do multiple rounds of debugging patiently for each of my statements to achieve the optimum result. First example, I continuously changed the value of the left and right wheel speed to identify the speed of the robot to collect the maximum objects as well as avoid the trap. I also controlled the speed of various segments of the map and documented those improvements on a chart. Second example I would like to share is that I first used the left or right sensor to detect the marker and then turned to 0 degrees. I realized that my robot is freezing as it gets stuck into an infinite loop. I then changed the condition to use both left and right sensors together to detect the marker and turn to 0 degrees. When the robot turned to 0 degrees, one of the sensors goes outside the marker zone, and that solved my problem. Here is a video. As you can see, it detected the green marker, it turned, it detected the purple marker, it turned, and then it went to deposit. The robot didn't always perform as per the code, and I had to do multiple rounds of debugging patiently for each of my statements to achieve the optimum result. This is how I did it. First, I picked up a problem statement. I executed my program. I went to debug. I selected variables related to the problem. I used a phone to record the movement of the robot as well as the debug window. I replayed my video multiple times to observe the change in variable values so that I could identify the root cause of the problem. I then made changes to my code. I repeated the entire process again. Conclusion: there's still a lot of scopes of improvement, but I am overall satisfied with my results. In my next implementation, I would change my strategy to collect 2 sets of red, cyan, and black objects to generate a super plus object on each deposit. I will then use positions X and Y of the super objects to move the robot in that area and then follow the wall at 15 cm to collect it to increase my points.
Through continuous experiments, I try to identify problems in my program and work on them patiently to make my algorithm more effective. We have seen that the competition map was changing all the time and we had to adjust to the new map quickly. 2 important life lessons that I have learned are being patient and continue trying and adapt to changes. This provided me the opportunity and platform to showcase my logical thinking and programming capability by competing with the best participants around the world. Being recognized at various award categories has made me confident and inspired me to keep the momentum by continuing to learn. I'm planning to organize a hackathon event in my school with the help of my teachers to encourage students to come up with innovative ideas for robotics and AI to solve common problems. I'm open to collaborate with other participants to share ideas on improving the program. Feel free to reach out to me at the email provided.
Bill Gates once said, "Robotics and other combinations will make the world pretty fantastic compared with today." Thank you all for watching my presentation.